Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Fedo and you're welcome to another video with Fedo. So for today's video, I'll be telling you guys, I'll be sharing you my skincare routine with you, how I maintain my skin, and I believe that everybody have their own skin type and what works for them, but you guys can also try out this regimen and see if it will work for you. So sometimes my environment affects my skin. Sometimes when I change environment, I tend to break out. Yeah, without much ado, let's get into today's video. So the first step I do, as you guys can see, my face is a bit white because I just have had my bath. So if you want to start this, you should definitely wash your face or take your bath. So that will be the first step to go. The next thing I do, I'll be using this Nivea micellar water to cleanse my face. Perfect and radiant, even to 3-in-1 micellar water. Normal to combination skin. Deeply cleanse, remove makeup, freshes and tone. Vitamin E. This thing contains vitamin E and you can also use it to clean your makeup. So I'll be getting a pack of cotton wool. Let's take out some that I want to be using. I've never been with the body. Put the quantity that is enough for you. So I'll go in circles. Yeah. So I'll just go in circles and circles. To the sea, baby, I never say fall to the light. Then I'll be going in with this Russian Live Trim Vitamin C Face Serum for all type. This is what I'll be doing. This is what the bottle looks like. Mine is almost finished. Not almost, is. Like I said, mine is almost finished. So I won't hold back, and you should know that hold back was never good, just like so I won't go back, oh, when I got me to forget the time I lost, moonshine. Step, I'm going in with my Nivea Perfect and Radiant Even Tone Day Cream. Normal to combination skin, residence even tone for a radiant complexion, even tone, pure active, pearl extract and vitamin C. So this is the third step of what I do. This is what the thing looks like. It has like a silver edge. Just go in. A little amount is definitely okay for your skin. You don't have to pack it. You don't have to waste it. It's expensive, so if you waste it, so the last step is to go in with my Gavia sunblock. This is sunblock SPF UV 60. So this is what I'll just be using to like round this up and seal it, especially for days when I'm going out. I need a sunscreen.
Your reflection in my wine glass. That's when I look away. Can't stand and think about losing your fine ass.
If you're using sunscreen, you need a very good moisturizer because sometimes sunscreen tends to make people black, so you need a very good moisturizer. And I recommend this Nivea face cream for you also. Yeah, this is basically what I do.
I'm 22, but I don't act like it clearly. And all this shit is a mirage. I'm just rapping for a cause. The life, the fame, the lights, the game. We break the laws, don't like to change. Wonder when you.
So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to like, subscribe, share if you haven't, and turn on your post notifications so whenever I post a new video you get notified. And please do feel free to check out my other videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.
If I lost my mind, would you come around? I will keep you safe and sound after all this time.